In this video I'm gonna give you these 3 custom code effects that you can use on your GoHello website. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first one is this 3 feature graphic which is animated, and let me show you how it looks on a real website. It's just like a live demo of how the booking assistant or the conversation AI works in GoHello. So, hey, do you have any openings this Friday? Hey, yeah, 4:30 p.m. 4:30 works, okay. Secure it with a deposit. Done, confirmed. Alright, so like a nice live demo just to show you how it works. Then the review engine, so it automatically asks the customer for a review. So thanks for visiting, how was the cut? Fire, glad to hear it, mind dropping a quick 5-star rating, for sure. And obviously you can change the copy and everything. Later I'll show you how it's done. And then the client revival. Yo Mike, it's been about 5 weeks. You do for a trim. Obviously this is for barbershops, but like I said, you can change it to whatever niche you want, for example landscaping. But yeah, let me show you how it's done. So go to my Discord, go to the resources section, click on the 3 feature graphic, and it takes you into this Notion page, and here are the instructions. So let's just do it quickly. Alright, so the first step is to make a custom code element in GoHello. So just make a new section, add a element code, and then paste the code down below, which is this one. This is just a instruction if you want to change the copy. Copy this code, go back to GoHello, go in the custom code, and just paste that in. And let's preview it. Alright, and here it is. Super valuable to add to your website. It shows professionalism. Clients will figure out that you actually spend time on showing how you can help them with different services, and ultimately GoHello helps them with their problems. And let me quickly show you how you can change the copy. So let's do one example for landscaping niche. So go back to the custom code element, scroll down to line 266, which is where the sequences start. And let's do the reactivation, something like, first message is, yo Mike, it's been about 5 weeks. So let's change that to something like, hi Mike, just checking in. Your property looks like it's ready for its next lawn service. Want us to handle it? Then just click save, and let's preview it. That's how it looks like. One thing you can also do is just copy the entire code, paste it into ChatGPT, and to change the copy to, for example, roofing. Okay, then the next one, VSL click to form. So you know how there's like a typical VSL, and when they click the video just pops up. What you can do is user clicks, it opens up a form. They need to fill out their information, and you send the video automatically via email or text, okay? This is one of those things that will increase your conversion rate by a lot. A small tweak, and obviously you can change the image like this copy right here. But let's do it. So step 1, make a custom code element in GoHello. Once again, just add a code and paste this code. And step 2, you need to make a button, okay? So let's add another row and a button. And the button action needs to be open pop-up. So typically you would have your form in the pop-up right here. So let's add a form. Just select your form right there, okay? So the button action needs to be open pop-up. Then you need to add this custom class to the button. Click on the button, go to styles, go to custom class, paste that right in. Now this button is hidden, it doesn't show on the website. You just need to add this to trigger the thing when the user clicks on the VSL. So let me show you how it works. So here's the VSL. Once they click on it, it opens the pop-up. And to change the image, just scroll down to line 150. You need to add your own image to media storage. Let me show you quickly. So if you, for example, want to make your own image, you need to add, for example, this image. We need to get the link, go back and just paste it right here. And then change the copy to, for example, like, what's the 20-minute demo? And boom, just like that. Now the last one, which is by far the best one, is this monthly, annually toggle. Okay, so this thing right here. Once again, pretty small things that will increase your conversion rate by a lot. Giving these all away for free. You know guys, I could build a collection of these codes and sell it for like $297 to get access to the library of all my codes. But no, instead I have a free website playbook in the Discord with all of these snippets completely for free. Okay? So if you want to help me somehow, please just like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's literally all I'm asking for. It's all that I need from you guys. But let me show you how this is done. So you need to make 2 custom code elements above your pricing table. Alright, so let's say this is your pricing table. Just add a row over it and add 2 custom code elements. 2. And then you need to paste this code to the first one. And this code to the second one. Then paste this code to custom CSS. Like that. And then you need to duplicate your pricing table and change the pricing to whatever you want. So for example, if you're offering 17% off, just change it to $248. Let's do that for this example and just like make it bold or something. Make it pop out. Make it feel like it's the much better choice. Like that. And then you need to add custom class monthly plan to your monthly plan. So just paste that in. And annual plan to obviously your annual plan. And then you need to add custom class hide to your annual pricing block. Boom. Now let's preview it. And here it is. Once I toggle on annually, it shows the 248. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now if you want to get access to all of these resources, just join the Discord down below. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.